Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Solve the following system of linear equations by equating the coefficients. So here it is given that x and y is non-zero and these are the two given equation. 9 by x minus 5 by y equal to 70. Let this be first equation, and 2 by x minus 6 by y equal to minus 92. Let this be second equation. Now first of all, let us make the coefficient same, okay, so that we can find out the value of x and y. So for making the coefficient same, what we'll do is we'll multiply equation 1 with a value 2 and equation 2 will be multiplied with a value 9. So let us multiply it and see what happens. So 9x minus 5 by y equal to 70, will multiply this by 2, and 2 by x minus 6 by y equal to minus 92, will multiply this by 9. So if you multiply, we'll get these two new equations. Let this be 3 and let this equation be fourth equation. So now we can see that 18 by x is coming in both equation 3 and 4. We have made the coefficient same. So now what we'll do for simplification is we'll subtract 3 and 4. So after subtracting 3 and 4, what we get is 18x minus 18x get cancelled. So we'll get 54 by y minus 10 by y is equal to 140 minus plus, so plus 828. So from here we will get the value of unknown, that is y. So from here we can see we will obtain y as 1 by 22, because 44 divided by 968 is 1 by 22. Now with the help of equation 1, we can see with the help of equation 1 we can find the value of x also. So we'll substitute the value of y as 1 by 22. So y is in denominator, so it will become multiplication. So from here we'll get 9 by x as 110 plus 70, which is equal to 180. So x is 1 by 20. Therefore x is 1 by 20 and y is 1 by 22. So this is what we have to find in the question, and this is the answer.